Imagine walking through a desert city where every drop of rain is precious. Thousands of years ago, civilizations designed ingenious underground tunnels called qanats to capture and channel water from distant mountains. These sloped tunnels, stretching for miles, delivered fresh water to cities and fields without pumps or electricity. In other regions, people built step wells, grant spiraling staircases descending into cool earth, ensuring water was always within reach. These marvels reveal how the past mastered nature's challenges with creativity and precision.